everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make brookies. Now these are brownies with a cookie top, and you could make any kind of brownies you want with any kind of cookie. What I'm going to do is a carob brownie. You could always substitute chocolate, as with all my recipes, and the top is going to be a peanut butter cookie. So it's got that great combination of chocolate and peanut butter, or carob and peanut butter. So let's get started. We're going to start off with 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk and a half a cup of water. Mix those together and just let that sit for a couple minutes to thicken. Now we're going to add in 2/3 of a cup of sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together. Then we're going to add a half a cup of brown rice flour, a 1/4 cup of tapioca flour, 1/3 of a cup of carob powder or cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix that together until everything is well combined. Then we're going to add a half a cup of vegan butter, which has been melted, and mix that into the batter until that's all completely combined. And then we're going to pour that into an 8-inch square baking dish, which has been sprayed with oil. And set that aside. Next, we're going to take a half a teaspoon of psyllium husk, place it in a bowl with 2 tablespoons of water. Mix that up and let that sit for a minute. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of vegan butter, a half a cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and cream that all together. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of brown rice flour, 3 tablespoons of millet flour, 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that all together. And then finally add in a half a cup of peanut butter and mix that in. And then we're going to spoon the cookie batter on top of the brownie batter. And then we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then once it's cooled for a bit, cut the brownies into however many you want. We're going to do 12 here. And you want to make sure and cut it before it's completely cooled, so that you can cut through the cookies, and it's ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.